everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad you took a moment out of your day, out of your week, to click on my channel and my video. I have an unboxing for you, and if you are a crafter, especially a diamond painter, this is the unboxing for you. It is from diamondpaintingdrills.com. Look at that sparkle sticker. Alyssa goes above and beyond, making you feel special. And I'm going to open this. What is in here? Look at her packaging, okay? So she makes you feel amazing. So what I did is every month she has a certain color palette that she uses, and her stickers line up with that color palette, and she sends you one. Can you guess what the color palette is for May when you're watching this? Now, if you're watching this not in May, that's okay. Go check out her site, because I'm hoping that that month is another color that you absolutely love. All right, so first off, I bought some 18 squares because she sells many different colors of ABs and crystals. So check her out if you need refills or need a color with ABs. Second, she has these amazing things she calls flames, all right? And I have a bunch of them, but I don't have these size. These are the size you would use on your squares, because squares are slightly smaller than rounds when it comes to diamond painting drills. And so these are round, but you can put them on squares, and from a distance, you would never know. So let me see here if I can get you an idea. And these are glass. Absolutely beautiful. Let me put the lid on, because guys, I'm telling you, I don't want to spill. This is called water drop, okay? Ooh, water drop. Okay, it's not going to show you. But look how beautiful these are. These just absolutely gorgeous, beautiful sparkle, and they're clear, but I do believe they pick up anything that's next to them. You know, so if it's next to a blue, next to a pink, those kind of things, it picks up the reflection. And so she had this pack. I'm going to look at my receipt just a minute so I can tell you what the pack is called. What did I get? All right, so I got Bridal Bouquet Flame. I got Bubble Flame, Water Drop Flame. And all three of those I got in square, and then not square, they're round, but they're meant for square. And I also got the normal size. I'm going to show you the difference, okay? So here, this is for the square, and this is for the round. So if you can see, these are a little bit smaller than these. So let's dive in and see what else I got. What I got was the sampler pack in jars, both in round and square, and that's what is beautifully packed in here. If you watched any of my videos, I'll put one at the end too. You can see another sample pack I got. What I like about these is you can just kind of splatter them around. You don't have to spend so much money, and you get a little bit of a lot of different colors. So I'm taking this off, and like I said, the sticker always shows you roughly what it's going to be. Well, when you order it, you see it too. Look at this. Aren't these beautiful? It's purple, purple, purple. So she shows you which colors you're getting on the site, and she has done a fabulous job of intermixing them. And what I mean by that is, like, I'm getting 2 different round crystals. Now, these are not the flames. Flames are glass. Crystals are plastic. So I'm getting 30, 60, and 209 in the crystal. And then the rest of them are ABs. So it's all different purple ABs. So you can test out on your paintings what you like. And then because I love the colors so much, I got the squares as well. And so I have 315 and 208 are the crystals, and the rest of them are ABs. And most of the time the ABs are the same, but every now and then the color choices are slightly different depending on if an AB exists in that color and square and round. Whew. I have to take a breath because these are absolutely gorgeous. What I also love about her is that anything new for the month of May, the purple packets, you get a percentage off if you're purchasing in that month. So run over there. You also, if there's only certain colors in here, you can buy them in baggies, okay? Like so. So you can buy a jar sample pack, or if you're a gun-ho person, you can buy a huge baggy sample pack, which should have all these colors in it, or you can buy it onesie-twosie. In January, I just bought a couple of the January colors because I had already put in a big order with her and it already had most of the January colors. So that's why I like that you can buy it in a pack, you can buy it individually, and the colors of that month you get on sale. I do have a link down below that would help me so I can buy some prizes for you. If you're going to order already, just click on the link and order through my link. That would be fabulous, and it would help me and Alyssa out as well as you guys as my subscribers to win fantastic new things on the channel and upcoming collabs. So go check out diamondpaintingdrills.com. Let me know if you're going to get a sample pack, but she also has hundreds of other things that you can get there as well. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.